The solar energy and storage market in the Iberian Peninsula is experiencing unprecedented growth. With a favorable regulatory environment and increasingly accessible technologies, Spain and Portugal are positioned as leaders in the energy transition. Today we will explore growth prospects, competition in the sector and opportunities for new investors. Stay to discover the future of the Iberian market. The key drivers of growth are regulatory support. Directives such as RED II facilitate the integration of renewables and storage, promoting infrastructure modernization, battery cost reduction. Prices of lithium-ion batteries and emerging technologies such as flow and solid-state have fallen significantly. Decarbonization targets. Spain and Portugal aim for carbon neutrality by 2050, driving the adoption of storage to stabilize the grid. By 2030, solar capacity is expected to exceed 40 gigawatts and storage capacity to reach 5 gigawatts, enabling greater penetration of clean energy. The main players are project developers. Companies such as Iberdrola, EDP Renovables and Acciona lead large PV plus BESS plants, seeking to differentiate themselves with advanced technologies. Battery manufacturers. Tesla Energy, LG Chem and Fluence compete by offering more efficient and economical systems. Technology providers. Advanced EMS and SCADA systems from companies such as SMA Solar Technology and Huawei improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. Competition is focused on price, technological capability, and speed to adapt to regulatory changes. The main challenges are regulatory adaptation. Evolving regulations require flexibility in projects, access to competitive PPAs. Competition for long-term power purchase agreements is intense. Initial investment cost. Although batteries are more affordable, BESS integration remains costly. The opportunities generated are ancillary markets. Frequency regulation and grid stability offer new sources of revenue. Self-consumption and energy communities. These are growing segments seeking decentralized solutions. Emerging technologies. Investments in flow and solid-state batteries allow differentiation in a competitive market. My recommendations are: take advantage of European funds and regulatory directives to reduce upfront costs. Incorporate advanced technologies such as EMS to optimize your operations. Diversify your revenues by participating in ancillary markets and exploring self-consumption models. If you are looking to maximize opportunities in the Iberian PV plus BESS market, contact me on LinkedIn. Together we can transform the energy future. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.